Here's an introduction to making money online for beginners. In this video, we'll cover the basics of how you can start making money online. One of the biggest advantages of making money online is that it allows you to work from the comfort of your own home. This can save you time and money on things like commuting and office clothing, which can lead to more flexibility and a better work-life balance. Additionally, there are many different ways to make money online, so you can find an option that suits your skills and interests. If you want to start making money online, the first step is to choose a niche that you're interested in and that has the potential to be profitable. Think about your hobbies, passions, and areas of expertise. From there, you can research different ways to monetize your knowledge or skills. There are many different ways to make money online, including selling products or services, affiliate marketing, advertising, and creating and selling digital products like ebooks and courses. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to research and choose the one that fits your goals and skills the best. Once you've chosen your niche and method for making money online, it's time to get started. This could involve building a website, creating social media accounts, or setting up an e-commerce store. The key is to start small and learn as you go, so you can refine your approach and grow your income over time.